Hey guys, this is video number 2, and what I've purchased was Two Brothers dual slip-on exhaust system M2, the Black Series for 2009 Suzuki Hayabusa. And I've already done the unboxing, so I have the parts pretty much laid out, ready for installation. We have our cans, our extension pipes, clamps, our screws and washers, clamps, tools provided, stickers which I probably won't use, and our instructional. And as I said, it's going on this 2009 Hayabusa. If you all are familiar with the stock pipes, most people call them the police series, but these cans are getting ready to be taken off of this bike, and we're going with the Two Brothers. And what I want to also attempt to do is do a sound comparison between the stock and the aftermarket. So right now I'm going to crank up and I'll try to get as close as possible so you can hear how the stock pipe sound. Right now I'm revving the engine about 3,500 RPMs, 5,000 RPMs, 6,000 RPMs. Okay, now I'll begin the installation of the aftermarket, and we'll do a comparison of the new sound, and we'll see how much of a difference the Two Brothers make compared to the stock.